The Clever Monkey and the Greedy Crocodile. Once upon a time, on the banks of a wide, sparkling river, there lived a clever monkey in a large, shady mango tree. The tree stood tall near the edge of the water and bore the sweetest, juiciest mangoes in the entire forest. The monkey loved his home, and every day he would swing from branch to branch, plucking mangoes to eat and watching the animals who came to drink from the river. One hot summer day, a crocodile came swimming by. He was tired and hungry, searching for food. When he saw the monkey feasting on golden mangoes, he swam closer and said, "Hello, monkey. Those mangoes look delicious. Would you share one with a hungry traveler?" The monkey, being kind and generous, plucked a ripe mango and tossed it to the crocodile. "Here, my friend," he said, smiling. "These mangoes are the best. You're welcome to come by any time you're hungry." The crocodile munched on the mango with joy. It was the sweetest thing he had ever tasted. "Thank you, monkey," he said. "You're very kind. My name is Kuro. I live further down the river. May I come again tomorrow?" "Of course, Kuro," the monkey replied cheerfully. "There are plenty of mangoes for us both." And so, day after day, the crocodile came to visit the monkey. They shared mangoes and told each other stories. A beautiful friendship blossomed between them. Kuro would sometimes tell the monkey about the river's depth and all the fish he had seen, while the monkey spoke of the birds in the sky and the rustling secrets of the forest. One day, Kuro brought his wife with him. He gave her a mango, and she too found it incredibly sweet. But as she kept chewing, she said, "If the fruit from that tree is this delicious, imagine how sweet the monkey's heart must be. I want to eat it." Kuro was horrified. "What are you saying?" he asked. "He's my friend." "I don't care," she said stubbornly. "Bring me his heart. You must, or don't bother coming back home." Torn between loyalty to his friend and the pressure from his wife, Kuro struggled. But in the end, he made a plan. The next day, he swam up to the tree and greeted the monkey with a fake smile. "Dear monkey," he said, "you have been so kind to me. I want to invite you to my home for dinner. My wife and I would love to host you. Come ride on my back, and I'll take you across the river." The monkey hesitated. "I've never been in the water before," he said nervously. "Don't worry," said Kuro with a grin. "I'll carry you safely. Just hop on." Trusting his friend, the monkey jumped onto Kuro's back, and off they went into the deep river. The water was calm, and the monkey enjoyed the breeze. But as they reached the middle of the river, the crocodile's expression changed. "I must tell you the truth," said Kuro suddenly. "My wife wants to eat your heart. That's why I brought you here." The monkey froze in terror, but he quickly calmed himself. He knew he had to think fast. "Oh, Kuro," he said, pretending to be shocked but not scared. "Why didn't you tell me earlier? I would have gladly given you my heart, but I left it back on the tree." "Left it on the tree?" the crocodile asked, confused. "Yes," the monkey lied. "We monkeys keep our hearts in a secret spot when we don't need them. Mine is in the hollow of the tree where I sleep." Kuro stopped swimming. "Really?" he asked. "Absolutely," said the monkey. "Take me back quickly, and I'll fetch it for you." Kuro, being not very clever, turned around and swam back to the tree. As soon as they reached the bank, the monkey jumped off and scrambled up to the highest branch. Safe among the leaves, the monkey looked down at the crocodile and said, "Oh, foolish Kuro, who keeps their heart outside their body? You tried to betray me, your friend. I gave you fruit, I gave you kindness, and in return, you tried to kill me." Kuro hung his head in shame. "I'm sorry, monkey," he said quietly. "I was blinded by my wife's desire. I should never have agreed to it." "You broke my trust," said the monkey sadly. "Our friendship is over. Go away and don't ever come back." And with that, The monkey turned and disappeared into the depths of the tree, leaving the crocodile to float away in regret. Moral of the story: never betray those who trust you. Greed can destroy friendships, but wisdom can save your life.